It's a medical condition that causes chronic pain for an estimated 14 million American women. It can affect them at any age, and some of the most common symptoms include sensitivity to touch, irritation, itching, burning, redness, and dryness. Vulvar pain is an unspoken yet real and severe issue which can destroy a woman's sexual desire, psychological well-being, and quality of life.
The vulva on a woman is her external genitals, the part that includes the labia, the outer hair-bearing portion, and then the area that leads right into the vaginal opening. There are so many causes of vulvar pain in women, which is why so many women are affected. Things that cause hormonal shifts in the woman's environment, so things in her body that menopause, perimenopause, breast cancer treatments, even oral contraceptive pills. Other skin conditions can cause vulvar problems and burning, such as lichen planus and lichen sclerosus, which are, again, disorders of the skin of the vulva. And last, vulvodynia, one of the leading causes of burning and pain in the vulva of women of all ages and races.
Despite a proliferation of media focusing on the importance of relationships and how to improve one's sex life, female sexual issues such as vulvar pain are still often ignored or misdiagnosed.
Women believe when they have itching and burning of their vulva or their vagina that they always have an infection. But there are many causes of itching and burning that are non-infectious. Unfortunately, most gynecologists have not been trained in the evaluation and treatment of sexual pain disorders or other vulvar pain disorders. There is still a perception that women's sexual problems and women's problems, gynecologic problems, are still taboo. Unfortunately, women are still uncomfortable talking about their genitals. They're not sure as to their anatomy.
It's estimated that only 1/3 of women suffering from vulvar pain discomfort ever seek medical advice. Many women can't even identify any triggers for their pain.
Women are not taught their anatomy, so they don't know the difference between their vulva and the vagina or the different parts of their vulva. So it's very difficult for them to localize their pain. They are also embarrassed because, unfortunately, in our society, women still don't feel comfortable talking about their sexual problems, even to their physicians, or they don't know the terminology that they can use to their physicians, so they don't bring it up.
While there are several prescription options on the market to address vulvar pain, a new non-medicated cosmetic soothing cream called Neogyn is taking a corrective and preventative approach to treating the condition. Inspired by the international wound healing research in Switzerland and tested by leading gynecologists, Neogyn is formulated to minimize discomfort and achieve optimal vulvar health.
The cream was first developed for wound healing, and it contains cutaneous lysate, which is beneficial for wounds, but also for vulvar skin. And this has been backed up by clinical research in wound healing as well as in feminine pain disorder like vulvodynia and other related disorders.
Neogyn is a very soothing cream. It does not have any products that can cause irritation, such as methylparabens. In addition, it is a wonderful emollient, so it brings moisture to the area. In addition, the active ingredient in the Neogyn has anti-inflammatory properties, so it cuts down the inflammation, the redness, the soreness, and it has properties that build up the tissue. So it hydrates, it cuts down the inflammation, and it builds up the tissue to its normal thickness.
Experts say that women shouldn't be embarrassed to talk to their physicians about vulvar pain. Treatment does exist, and no woman should have to live with the discomfort of the condition.
Since there are treatments for sexual pain, no woman should have to live with it. And no woman should just put up with it time after time, month after month, because it's ultimately going to cause problems with intimacy within her relationships.
I was having a lot of pain for many years, probably about 8 years, and I was misdiagnosed, got a lot of misinformation, and just couldn't get comfortable, couldn't get out of pain. And then I did research and found a doctor who could help me.
Many women have reported positive results from using Neogyn on a daily basis. Neogyn is unlike any other product on the market. It addresses vulvar health with cutting-edge, scientifically proven effective ingredients to improve the lives of women with vulvar pain.
Now I'm much better. I'm using the product twice a day. My pain level has gone from 10 to 0. I feel confident during the day. I feel that I can get dressed comfortably. And then after using the cream, I've been able to have sex without that same discomfort level. It is just calmed down the area to the point where I can enjoy it and resume a more normal sexual life.
This product is groundbreaking because for the first time, there is a non-prescription, readily available product to the consumer that can help them with the burning and itching and irritation of vulvar pain and hopefully bring great healing.
Also, I believe that Neogyn is going to help raise awareness that these problems exist, so that women will feel much more comfortable going to their physicians or healthcare providers when they have these problems and these symptoms.
For more information and to purchase Neogyn, call 877-666-6431 or visit www.neogyn.us.